Well, good morning. It's Thursday, October 17th, about 12:15 in the morning. Darren's already here. I just got here waiting on Doug. You ready to make an overnight bonsai run?
We ain't ready to come back here. This one fucking, I could take yours.
Don't be taking mine. I made it this far without one. You can go an hour.
I ain't sleeping.
We're somewhere in Iowa. Making good time though. Darren's had enough driving. We're getting close. Well, welcome to windy Nebraska. We're in Greenwood, home of SNS Welding, who builds the best late model truck and trailers there are.
In this room here.
Really?
Yeah.
So you bring the trucks in like this?
Yep, just like this, and then we back them in, and we start cutting holes, doing the holes in them to bolt the boxes down to them, and then we build everything right on here.
Oh, you do build right on? The
Right
boxes aren't built ahead of time?
And that way everything matches up for the wheel well openings and.
Wow.
Do you buy the trucks pre-stretched?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, we don't. Years and years ago, we used to stretch trucks here, but they got to be too much of a hassle, and then everybody decided to go new. I mean,
Right.
Everybody's buying new.
Amazing.
How many do you roll out in a year's
We
time?
used to do 12 a year, one a month, but they've gotten so big and so much stuff. Probably we're going to get 10 a year now.
Wow. So you probably what, 2 years behind?
We're 3 years
3
plus
years.
because I can't find no help.
Yeah, that is. We got same. We got clients business and we got 30 employees and
Yeah, we cannot find any help.
there you go, Jason.
Yeah.
We do the whole trailer will be done back here. But we skin the truck back here, skin them and trim them and put the lower doors in them, and then they go up into my interior shop up front over here.
Very nice. Lacquer paint on the back. Is that what you guys?
Well, on this stuff here, we use like an automotive paint for painting around the doors, but everything else is like an industrial enamel.
Okay.
Just to cover the metal up.
Because I went to paint all the edges, and man, I had a hell of a time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we.
Finally, I used a fine retching primer.
Yeah.
Are them all LEDs in there?
Oh yes. Yeah.
We need to do that in ours.
Yeah, you'll love it if you do the LED stuff.
We just converted at our store about 30 of them.
Yeah.
And it worked out really good. So, yeah, that's a must.
Cabinets are pre-built, ready to go in.
Yep. We're talking about putting a refrigerator cabinet
where that workbench was.
Yeah.
Because that worked out good on our last one we built it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, this is our workshop. The wood shop that does all the interior stuff.
Wow. See, I thought you probably bought them.
We make everything.
Make everything.
The more stuff you can control in-house, the more control you have.
Wow.
This is Mark Richards' new one.
Rocket 1.
Rocket 1.
That's the one going to one of the two boys that we just talked about.
Just got started this one. We got Donald Bradshare's done, and it's next door. Well, it's not done. We're waiting on a countertop. The countertop company had some issues with one of the slabs, so they had to get another one coming. So we're waiting on countertops for Bradshare's.
Our last one had the stainless on the sides, didn't it?
Yeah.
We really liked that. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful. God, it's so nice seeing it in this stage. Look at the roof, Darren. And we did say that trailer is 38, and then the box on the truck is
Probably 25 or 26.
25 or 26. But
Yeah.
It is 81 foot long.
Yeah.
Was it 81? Is that what you
My
remember?
building.
You got all kinds of room.
Yeah. I was worried because our last one had about 6-7 feet.
Yeah.
And that truck being the long nose, I was like, man, I hope that it'll pull in there. But
I do like that one. It was great.
There were
the loading lights that are on the little bit newer ones. Would that be something that could be added?
Well,
to
them are
ours?
12 volt.
Okay.
And probably the ones you got in there maybe are 110. Is there
There's
loading
none in
lights?
them.
None in the back of that?
That's why I was wondering if there would be a way to.
Is there t-shirt
Yep.
windows in the back?
Yep.
Well, there should be 12 volt there then.
Okay.
Oh, where you could tap into that same line.
Right.
There you go.
And then you could just put them black loading lights in it.
So we can
Okay.
order them from you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Anything that really, pertains to our stuff, we keep on hand.
Our last one didn't have it, and when you shut the back door light off,
It's dark.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, we got the tire grinding area light.
That's
that we
on
got
there.
there. That
Yeah.
worked out real good when we bought it, put it on, and
Yeah.
boy, did that make a difference.
Yeah, just all that little stuff.
A lot of little stuff.
Yeah, oh, it is, but it's all detailed for
Yeah.
what we're doing,
Yeah.
and that's what worked out so well. Yeah, very good.
The new handle like this. I like it.
Yeah, we changed handles, went to a different handle here probably a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful.
It's actually, it's a long nose piece, but yet he does the shorter hood.
Oh yeah.
This one's the shorter of the hoods. And I think there's probably about, what is there, 12 or 14 inches difference in the hoods.
To get a new one about every 2 years.
Yeah, he does it every 2 to 3 years. Like when he comes and picks this up now, he's already left money before for a new one, so he gets in line, because I'm over 3 years out, and he tries to stay in front of it.
Wow, that's nice.
He's got
Yeah,
the
what
got
did-
the fenders.
Yeah. What determines whether like ours is the tanks in the box?
Whoever orders the tractor.
Okay.
Some guys like the tanks back,
Yep.
but man, it takes up all that storage space. I mean,
Yes.
Yeah.
it cuts down so much.
Yep.
And Mark needs every inch of storage that
He uses it all.
He uses every inch of it.
That's a big difference
Yeah,
from ours.
it does
Aftermarket.
fill that in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they do the aftermarket, all the stainless around and the visors, and
So do you guys put them on, or do?
Peterbilt does. We got enough to worry about.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, that looks good. I like that fender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really dresses it up.
It's about a $10,000 deal to do the
Wow.
fenders, the visor, the extra lights and the stainless underneath the doors with the lights, and then the bumper, I think, with the
Lights on it.
lights on it. Oh, speaking of bumpers, you guys have got to really pay attention going in and out of places, because that bumper's got to raise up because it's so goddamn low to the ground.
It's
And
on a
I'll show you the
hinge.
switch. Did he tell you about it?
No.
Ah, no, it's on a switch.
Glad we're talking about bumpers, because it is on hydraulics where it will
Really?
raise
Does
up.
this one do?
No, this one don't, because it's high enough off the ground. But that one out there, if you look at it,
You'll. load
I
it
was
right
at Batesville when Tyler Reddick was racing dirt, and Boyer come in with his
Yep.
too, and his had they were flipped
Yep.
straight out.
but this one, I think it comes out and just comes straight up, so it
Oh, I'll
doesn't
be
tip
darned.
out, but it will raise up quite a bit. But
Okay.
I'll show you the switch, and
Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad
you
we're
did.
talking. Man, that would have been bad.
Fortunately enough, I think most of the tracks we go to don't really have too much of that.
No problem.
No.
Yeah, but
even
you
now,
gotta
it's
wear
good
it.
to know. yeah.
Even, parking
Good to know
lot,
where that is, so we're not flipping switches at home and opening it up into the garage door.
I'd hate to see how expensive that is.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that happening. Yeah, very good.
Well, that was a quick trip to SNS Welding for us to check something out. More info to come on why we went there later. Hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit about SNS Welding. Kind of one of the best late model haulers around. They're built like tanks. They last a long time. They hold up well. it was neat to see how they're built and the process behind it and everything being done in-house. Definitely a long wait if you want a new one. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment, and we will catch you all later.